Yeah, I think physics is an interesting and perhaps most fundamental natural science, and that naturally tends to lead it in the direction of being philosophical. And I suppose that that's reflected by many of the statements of famous scientists. I mean, Einstein himself frequently referred to physical ideas in theological terms. He didn't identify with any of the historic religions, but nevertheless he used theological language to talk about nature. And I think that's something that's very common in physics. My own physics, the physics in which I'm most engaged, in which my research is actually not so much the foundational physics that is what we think about perhaps when we think about the famous discoveries of physics. So I'm an applied physicist more than I am, in a sense, a pure physicist. And so I think there is another aspect of what I do, which also I think is important, but I think is common to essentially all of science, and that is many scientists are motivated by concern for the human condition, by the desire to do something constructive for humankind, to benefit one's neighbor in a certain sense. And certainly that aspect of my science is also an important part of what attracts me. So yes, I'm attracted to the fundamental ideas and knowing what the world is really like. But I also think that trying to do something that has the potential for good for humankind is what drives me and drives a lot of my colleagues.